The AutoDS Chrome extension simplifies product importing and order management from supported suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart to your e-commerce store. Here's how to use it. Install the AutoDS Chrome extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for AutoDS Helper, and click Add to Chrome. Ensure you're logged into both your AutoDS account and the supplier websites. Configure the extension. After installing, click the AutoDS icon in your browser toolbar and log into your AutoDS account if prompted. Adjust settings within the extension to match your preferences, such as default currency and import settings. Import products with one click. Browse products on supported supplier sites. When you find a product, click the AutoDS icon or use the Import to AutoDS button displayed on the product page. The product details will be sent to your AutoDS dashboard, where you can edit titles, descriptions, prices, and images before importing it to your store. Use bulk import. To import multiple products at once, add items to the supplier's wishlist or cart, then use the AutoDS extension to import them in bulk. Manage orders efficiently. The extension also helps automate the order process by tracking purchases and syncing tracking numbers.